Okay, so we know that when we're multiplying numbers in scientific notation, you would multiply the first factors, then multiply the powers of 10, almost like they're two separate problems. And remember, you should keep the base and add the exponents. Then you rewrite the product using scientific notation. If it's necessary, you have to move the decimal to ensure that the first factor is between 1 and 10. When we're talking about dividing numbers in scientific notation, it's pretty much the same approach. We divide the first factors instead of multiplying. We divide the powers of 10 instead of multiplying. Again, treat them as two separate problems. Remember, keep the base and this time subtract the exponents. You would rewrite the products using scientific notation, and again, if necessary, move the decimal to ensure that the first factor is between 1 and 10. Let's take a look at what that would look like in this example here. Again, I would simply think of these as two separate problems. This actually looks almost even easier than the multiplying because I can visually see here 9.6 divided by 1.6. 9.6 divided by 1.6 is 6. When I have 10 to the 7th power divided by 10 to the 4th power, remember, the rule is I keep the base and I would subtract the exponents, giving me 10 to the 3rd power. Bringing that here, that leaves with 6 times 10 to the 3rd power. The beauty of this is that my answer already has the first factor between 1 and 10, so there's no need to rewrite this in scientific notation because my answer automatically comes out in scientific notation. Okay? So again, when we're dividing numbers in scientific notation, I'll leave this up here for a second for you to take a look at, but pretty much the same process as multiplying.